Hello. So today we're going to be doing resistance band exercises, but we're going to be doing our first workout out of our 6-series workout. We're not doing a full workout. I'm just going to be introduce you to the different moves we do in the first workout, and let's get into it. Okay. So today for that we'll be doing bicep curls, tricep extensions, tricep kickbacks, shoulder press, and also the front side or lateral raises. Okay, so let's get started into it. Bicep curls. I've got the 3 bands here, the advanced, professional, and the extreme. Bicep curls. Let's go to the extreme right now. So I'll try to show the angle. Step on both on the band, your feet shoulder apart, but if you want it to be harder, you open wider, or you hold the band lower. I like to wear gloves for the stronger bands. It gets, as you do more reps, it does dig in your hand a little bit, so gloves sort of help as well. So the key is everything above the elbow moves. Anything up or above the elbow, this side actually stays put, but below the elbow is the movement, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to focus on your biceps. Do a full move to the very end. You can hold for half a second, then come down. The key is to go to a full movement. There's no point rushing it, and to have good control. Okay. Give it a go. Second one, tricep extensions. This is definitely too much for me. Normally tricep is a weaker muscle, so tricep extensions, the best thing to do is step on the back of the heel, and then we're going to left foot, if you're doing the right hand, just to go a little bit more forward, so that we get a stance. And the key is working on the tricep is an extension, and we go up. Okay. You can do it standing up as well and straight, but I felt that if you put your foot forward and lean, you get a bit more better balance. And the band isn't strapped against your body too much. And the key, like always, we want to pivot on the elbow. And that definitely gives your tricep a very, very good workout. Okay, same on the left side. We are standing on the back, feet forward, up, and working. I like to put the hand there, so give it control, make sure we're not moving it too much. Okay, and then third is tricep kickback. We're doing a stepping on the band. You can do 2 hands at the same time, or you can do a single. What we're doing is we're holding straight. Then what we do is we lift up the elbow, and then we straighten the arms back. What we try to do is obviously we're pivoting on the elbow in the same position. The other variations, you can put your knee in forward more. Okay, same, left side. Okay. The fourth move we're doing is the shoulder press. Shoulders might be tricky on this extreme band. Let me give it a go. If my stance isn't too wide, it should be okay. Okay, so work is not for the full, it's not full body. We're just standing up, and all we're doing is pushing up from the shoulder up. I'm managing, huh? With the extreme band. Definitely making me sweat. Okay. That's the fourth move. And then the last one here is the front or the lateral raises. This extreme is definitely too much for me. The red advance, probably a little bit too weak. Let's give the professional band a go. Okay, similar. We're stepping on the band, 2 feet on the band, and we're raising in front. Okay, that's the front. Raise, side lateral, we're going up wide. Oh, this band definitely tests me out, so it's about right. You don't want to go too weak, otherwise it's not going to really be as effective. Okay, these are 45 degrees lateral, this band, but we can also go complete full lateral. Is we're going sideways. Okay, that's a great shoulder workout. Okay, that's all we have time for today. So stay in tune, and the key is do 3 reps, but the key is don't forget to work out today. Okay, thank you, peace out, and thank you. Keep subscribing to my channel, like stuff, Facebook, Instagram. Every support counts. Thanks.